Hey there, I've got a little video on how to self-record your classroom using this Zoom Q2n handy video recorder. So for teachers in our research project, you will receive this kit already unpackaged, everything set up with all the settings in the right spot. If something happens and you want to check on the settings, I'll go over what they are just so you can double check. But you'll get the tripod, you extend the legs, set the tripod up in the back of your classroom, take the charging block, either plug it into the wall or attach a extension cord here to the charging block. Then on the back, you just hit the power button, which is right there. And then you're going to hit the record button. Should be recording, you record your class, you come back, you hit the red button again when you're done, and it'll be done. There's 20 hours of storage with the settings as we have it set up, so plenty of classrooms, and you can send your SD card back when you're done. So that's the basics of how you record. You get it out, plug it in, turn it on, and hit record. For the settings, if anything gets changed, up here we've got the video quality. My webcam can't quite pick that up, but it's at 720. The low cut is at 80 hertz. The audio gain is 96K 24-bit. We've got the wide angle for the camera, and auto for the scene, and then off for the gain. When the gain is off, we want this little gain knob on the side to be at 7. So that should be sensitive enough to pick up what we're looking for. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful. If anything breaks or whatever, or anyone's watching this who wasn't part of our research project, I have the products that we purchased at B&H Photo linked in the description. Please let me know if you have any questions.